What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another midweek recap video today. So it's been a very interesting day, and in this video we're going to look at some stocks which had some crazy after hours movement. Then we're also going to look at a few different stocks which had impressive days today, or weird days for different reasons, of course. But we'll just start off with SPY. Check the SPY movement here. From 461 to highs of 464 by close, all because of the Fed talking. Now, I was very impressed with this because SPY had just been having some weird movement, pretty much consolidating the whole day. And then before you knew it, it just rallied and kept rallying and kept rallying and kept rallying. I saw people doing call options, getting 150%, 200% returns. I saw people who were trading VIX as well, getting some healthy returns there. But yes, it was a very good day for SPY at the end. Now, I want to look at some other stocks. We'll look at some stocks which announced earnings. So after hours, they were affected. We'll start with Roku. It had a horrible drop, an unbelievable drop from around 322, 312, all the way down to 287. Crazy drop, and it's definitely a stock to look out for tomorrow. It had a crazy drop. It dropped all the way from 312 to 283. Ridiculous drop. So I'll definitely be interested to see what it does tomorrow, because it's going to have plenty of room for recovery over the next few months. To get back to the highs of 320, 330, 340, Roku has a long way to go now, and we'll definitely take advantage of that. Next, I want to look at Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. They had a great earnings. They killed earnings, and this stock shot up. Now, if you remember the video I uploaded on Monday pre-market, I put stocks to watch for this week, and Qualcomm was one of them in the earnings run-up. So I was looking at 133, 130, I think 135, $138 calls. Wow, if you bought any of those, your option is about to go nuts, because after hours, Qualcomm was up over 6%, almost 7%, and it's just killed earnings, and this stock is ready to run. So I'm happy that some people got in on this because of the video I uploaded. I'm happy because some people got in it because they just took the chance. There's many different reasons. Now let's look at some other stocks which had a very great day today. We'll start off with BBBY, which didn't have the best of days because compared to what we had actually expected, it kind of sold off. So let me show you what I mean. So from yesterday close at $16 to pre-market today, it went to $22. Now it's back at 19, but it was still ended the day up 15%. Also, let's look at Zillow. Zillow sold off heavily today. It's ridiculous. And if you bought puts on this, yes, you made a good amount of money, because this at one point was down 27% on the day. Look at this. Look at the nasty drop from Zillow in the past week. Just a week ago, well, in fact, just this week it was $100. Now it's $68. Another one which had a crazy drop recently is Chegg. So 2 days ago, Monday after market, this tanked from $62, almost halving, down to $34. And this has a huge bit of recovery to do to get back up to what I'd say $80, $90 soon enough. So please keep your eyes out on Chegg going forward. And let's look at our good friend Tesla, because Tesla had a very strong day today, as did a couple of the electric vehicle companies. Tesla up, ending the day just above $1,200, and it's been rallying. You guys know it's been rallying. You guys have seen it's been rallying. It did sell off yesterday after Elon Musk basically said, what's happening with the stock right now doesn't mean anything. I don't know why he always has to open his mouth, but Tesla is still on a strong run. So congrats to Elon Musk anyway. He probably used it as a dipping opportunity to buy more of the stocks. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's have a look at Amazon. I heard Jeff Bezos has sold a lot of shares after hours, or right before after hours, but I'm not seeing that much negative movement or the stock affected by anything so far. As you can see, it had a very good day for Amazon, up 71 points on the day, especially bearing in mind that it was down 12 points at the beginning and hit highs of around 78 points. So Amazon really did nicely today. Now I want to show you this stock, Archer Aviation. ACHR, check this one out. Up 7% after hours. It had a day where it started off very strong and then sold off, and then you probably thought, okay, there's not much left happening here. It was mentioned in our Discord. After hours, I took a look at it, and it's up 7%. So please do keep this on your radar tomorrow. Another stock which had a nice day is Copin, symbol KOPN, and this has also had some interesting movement after hours. So this is up 12% today, highs of over 13%, and after hours it's sort of 2%. But KOPN past $6 was definitely one thing to look out for. And now that it's past $6, as long as it can hold above that, I think this could continue to move upwards. So please do watch out for this stock tomorrow and Friday. And lastly, I want to look at AMC. AMC Entertainment had an interesting start today after they killed earnings yesterday. It was up nicely after hours, but now I don't know what's happened from highs of I think 43.66 all the way down to under $40, under $39 even. It sold off before recovering towards the end of the day. Another stock which had some similar kind of movement was GameStop, which blasted out the gates, hitting 245 before selling off all the way down to 210. So which is a big move for GameStop. As you guys know, the meme stocks has been going on this year. There's been so much random movement. Look at the GameStop over the past week, 23%, past month, 23%, past 3 months, up 37%, and over the past year, look at this, 1,909%. Just a year ago, it was trending around $11 or $12. That is crazy. But of course, you guys know that's part of those stocks which are being squeezed. And yeah, I did say lastly those two stocks, but I do want to also mention Lucid because it's in a electric vehicle sector. So I'm actually looking at the $38 course for Lucid ending this Friday, expiring this Friday. I'm still going to keep my eyes on this, even though it's slightly down after hours. I think that's even better opportunity to buy. Yeah, looking at Lucid, I'll be looking at the $38 course. You guys know Lucid has been very strong over the past couple of weeks. You know, it was under $20 just a month ago, even less than a month ago. So please keep your eyes out for Lucid. Looks like we can have a little bit of a flag there, but that was pretty much most of the stocks I want to talk about. I think I'll give you another one. It always happens. FUBO TV, ticker symbol FUBO. So FUBO up after hours, up today, up yesterday, up on the week, up on the month as well. FUBO starting to rally again. It was just $23 at the beginning of October. It's now $34, which is a 44% gain. It's gained over $10. I believe this is going back to $38, $40 within the next couple weeks. I will not be surprised to see it hit $38 this week. I know I mentioned it on the video, the stocks to watch this week, that video I uploaded pre-market Monday, and I said the $30 and $33 calls. Of course, those are now in the money, so congratulations to those of you who bought those. But now we're looking to get to $38, $40 as soon as possible. So I'm definitely looking at these, getting these tomorrow. If we can get a little bit of a pullback before entry, that would be great. And of course, make sure you guys check out all the other stocks I mentioned in today's video. Also, be sure to check out our Discord. You can get free stock through Robinhood through my links in the description below as well. Check out the stock option starter pack. Don't sleep on that. And yeah, I don't know how I always end up talking about something else, but Ethereum hit all-time highs today, 4,662. That was really great for Ethereum, and I think it still has a huge future. 5K this month, possibly. Once we pass 5K, expect 10K soon enough. But make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos. Please, it does help in a great way. Don't forget about those cryptocurrencies. Do not ignore them. They're still out here making moves. But thank you so much for watching today's video. That is it from me. We're looking forward to a great month of trading, a great November. But I got money to making, you got money to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.